It's about, what, 4:30 in the morning. What's today's date? March 14th, 13th, 1993. And it's awful cold out here. Archival snow footage for the station to use whenever they damn well feel like it. Forget the profanity, but it's cold out here! Those of you that weren't here. Power. Silhouette. There you go, right there. Okay.
This is for everybody that stayed home and didn't come out and play in the snow with us at 4 o'clock in the morning. Thank you, thank you.
This is John's car after coming in from Side Daisy middle of the night. As you can tell, it's covered with a little bit of snow here, just a tad. We used to have a curb here somewhere. We don't know where it is anymore.
There were footprints where we walked out.
Yeah, there were footprints here about 5 minutes ago when we walked out here in the snow. They'd be gone. And for those people that don't know what this is called, it's called a blizzard.
Andy Hall, Patrick Core, stand by for a weather garden. We may need you. We're having trouble with the live shot. Andy and Patrick, head to the